So I lost a life and I respawned. Awesome. The problem is, if I stand on something deadly like those spikes, I just keep losing lives. And we don't really want that. So we'll fix respawning. Let's do that. So when we respawn, which is down here, let's make it so the player kind of fades in and out, flashes in and out. A lot of games do this to show that the player's back to life, but they can't be harmed yet. They're kind of in an invulnerable state. So we will, when we respawn, we'll change the alpha of the player. That's the transparency. So we'll go to looks, and we want set alpha to 0.4. So that'll fade the player out, and let's make them flash in and out, so they kind of flicker. So let's get another time delay block. We'll say after 200 milliseconds have passed, which is about 1/5 of a second, we want to, we'll make a bit of space here. After 200 milliseconds have passed, we'll set the alpha to 0.8. So once the alpha has been set to 0.4, it's faded out a bit. After 200 milliseconds, we'll set it to 0.8, so it'll fade in a little bit. And then let's just repeat these two. So we're saying another 200 milliseconds, set it to 0.4, and then in another 200 milliseconds, set it to 0.8, and then we'll just kind of loop that. And another 200 to 0.4, and then another 200. And then at this final one, we'll set it to alpha 1, so it's 100% visible, no transparency. Now, our loser life function, we're actually going to use all of this, this transparency, this alpha. We're going to check if I have full alpha. If my alpha equals 1, that's when I'll lose a life. But if I'm in the state of having not full alpha, then I won't be able to lose a life, so I'll be invulnerable while all that's happening. Okay, so in here, when we check if we're alive, we're also going to check if the alpha equals 1. So go to control flow, grab that if, put everything else inside there. I want to say if alpha equals 1. That's from looks. Alpha of myself equals 1. Alright, let's test this out now. And we should be able to stand on those spikes while we're flashing and not lose a life, giving us enough time to escape so we're not just trapped there losing lives. So there we go, and if I stand on them, I can keep standing on them, so just enough time to escape. Very nice.